let's talk about wellness. We have a holistic wellness set that is the bomb. So what it includes is our EHT Brain Formula, our Youth Factor capsule and powder, as well as our Prolistic powder, and our wellness chews. So let me tell you a little bit about each of those. So our Prolistic pre and probiotic plus vitamin is it comes in a sleeve that you just put on your tongue, let it dissolve. And what it does is it helps to provide essential vitamins, pre and probiotics. It helps support overall immune system function. It optimizes the health of your digestive system, eases digestion, and assists in balancing a healthy bacteria in your digestive system and maximizes the benefits of a healthy diet by supporting absorption of nutrients. Now, all of these statements are not evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. I'd be remiss to not mention that. The product is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. So you get a box of that. The EHT Brain Formula, oh my goodness. So this is 20 years worth of research by Princeton University's Signum Biosciences into brain health. And so it's EHT is a patented extract from a natural mixture of bioactive molecules isolated from coffee that helps promote better cognitive function and overall brain health. So it's groundbreaking supplement that includes the exclusive patented EHT extract. The formula has further been fortified with other key ingredients such as vitamins B6, B12, D, magnesium, selenium, hyperzine A, and alpha lipoic acid. It is powered by the EHT extract, which helps promote better cognitive function and overall brain health. So um, it's taken once a day as a capsule. You can take it with food in the morning. EHT works best when taken with foods that contain healthy fats like nuts, avocados, or yogurt, but you don't have to do that. The other is our Youth Factor. The superfood and antioxidant boost powder is in a sleeve. You add it into water, and what it does, it's formulated with the Youth Factor enzyme blend, exclusive complex NAA blend, a pH adjuster, a body fortifying antioxidants, and hearty servings of fruits and vegetables to help boost your body into its optimal state of well-being from the inside out. What it does is it helps to balance the pH levels in your body at a more optimal alkalized and less acidic state. It defends against free radical damage. It increases the body's ability to absorb the most beneficial ingredients in your supplement and foods. And it also reduces the appearance of wrinkles and reveals brighter looking skin. Now, I drink that every morning. My son drinks it several times a day, but there's also a complex vitality, complete vitality complex, which is also a capsule. And all these products are vegan. So all clean, all natural. So what the complex is a holistic daily supplement containing patent pending Youth Factor enzyme blend, a host of antioxidants, and patent pending complex NAA blend. Its ingredient works at a cellular level to help support optimal function, maintenance, and repairs your body from the inside out. It supports cellular energy, aids in the defense of free radicals, reduces the appearance of wrinkles, reveals brighter looking skin, and supports your immune system. And then we have our wellness chews. So we have a sleep formula, which helps to naturally reduce the time it takes to fall asleep and helps you stay asleep when you have occasional sleeplessness. It also allows you to wake up fresh and clear-minded in the morning. Seriously, if you've taken one of these and have to get up in the middle of the night, one of the kids is sick or there's an emergency, you are clear-headed, you're not druggy feeling. I know sometimes even melatonin will make you feel really groggy. This does not. It supports a calm, relaxed state of mind. It helps your body counteract the negative effects of stress and helps to balance your circadian rhythm by supporting normal cortisol levels, which are your stress hormones, so helps to reduce those, and is designed to work in perfect harmony with the energy formula. And the energy formula it does so many things now. So it helps to naturally increase your energy. There's a bigger boost, lasts longer, provides an instant and sustained alertness, provides a calm, relaxed state of mind. It helps your body counteract the negative effects of stress. It helps to balance your circadian rhythm by supporting normal cortisol levels, and it's designed to work in harmony with the sleep formula. It also helps to curb cravings. Now, all of those have individual prices. You can purchase them all separately, but the best way to buy them is through our holistic wellness set. Now, the holistic wellness set, it retails for $366. But as I said, who loves a bargain? Never pay retail. So we have our two programs, our results program or our results with perks. So our results program is through our Smart Shopper, and our Smart Shopper can get that for $221. So that's $145 savings. Yes, love that. Now, if you go with the results and perks program, that price drops from $221 down to $199, so you're saving even more. Again, you can purchase all of those individually.